The Colombo stock market ended on a marginally negative note on March 31, 2026, with the All-Share Price Index, ASPI, declining by 26.06 points, minus 0.12%, to close at 21,066.18, while the S&P SL 20 index edged down by 4.86 points, minus 0.08%, to 5,904.10, reflecting a largely subdued session with mild selling pressure, as losses in selected heavyweight counters slightly outweighed gains, leading to a relatively flat overall market performance. Total market turnover stood at LKR 3.57 billion, with crossings contributing LKR 1.43 billion, led by activity in Tokyo Cement plc, while John Keells Holdings plc recorded the highest traded value during the session. Meanwhile, overall market capitalization was reported at LKR 7,522 billion, indicating steady market size despite a relatively subdued trading session. Total market activity was dominated by domestic investors, with domestic purchases amounting to 3,531.24 rupees MN compared to foreign purchases of 40.71 rupees MN, reflecting a 99% contribution from local participants, while on the selling side, domestic sales stood at 3,406.20 rupees MN and foreign sales at 165.75 rupees MN, indicating net foreign selling pressure during the session despite strong domestic participation. The top gainers of the day were Kerner House Global Solutions plc, CPRT.N, Tal Lanka Hotels plc, TAJ.N, Paragon Salon plc, Para.N, Print Care plc, Care.N, and Unipicellular Plantations plc, UDPL.N, recording notable price appreciations of 14.16%, 7.19%, 5.39%, 5.03%, and 4.95%, respectively. The strong upward movement suggests heightened investor interest in selected mid and small cap counters, with gains likely driven by stock-specific momentum and improved buying sentiment. The top losers of the day were Insurme Insurance Brokers plc, INME.N, Sampath Bank plc, SAMP.N, PGP Glass Salon plc, Glass.N, Lanka Aluminium Industries plc, Lala.N, and Mahaweli Coconut Plantations plc, MCPL.N, posting declines of 7.21%, 6.59%, 4.75%, 4.73%, and 4.64%, respectively. The downturn reflects selling pressure across insurance, banking, and manufacturing-related counters, with Sampath Bank and PGP Glass weighing on sentiment, while broader weakness in mid-cap stocks contributed to the negative price movements. The top positive contributors to the ASPI were John Keells Holdings plc, JKH.N, Hatton National Bank plc, HNB.N, DFCC Bank plc, DFCC.N, CT Holdings plc, CTHR.N, and Carson Cumberbatch plc, CARS.N, reflecting broad-based strength across conglomerates, banking, and retail sectors. Gains in JKH and CARS highlighted investor confidence in diversified counters, while HNB and DFCC benefited from improved sentiment in the banking sector, and CTHR supported the index amid continued momentum in consumer-driven stocks. The top negative contributors to the ASPI were Sampath Bank plc, SAMP.N, Haley's plc, HAYL.N, ACL Cables plc, ACL.N, PGP Glass Salon plc, Glass.N, and Val Libel 1 plc, Bone.N, with losses driven by weakness in banking, diversified, and industrial counters. Sampath Bank weighed on the index amid pressure in the financial sector, while declines in Haley's and Val Libel 1 reflected subdued sentiment in conglomerates, and ACL Cables and PGP Glass dragged due to selling interest in manufacturing-related stocks.